Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable Gmail app to show banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the banner option. And first of all, at the top, we need to enable show banner notifications. Now, on this list, we are looking for the app that is interesting to us. In our example, it's a Gmail. So we can enable or disable the option right here using the switch. If we don't have our app here, it may be down there, notifications blocked, as you can see, for example, contacts here, and we can allow notifications for this option right there.